These are the elevators at Rockwell Hall at Duquesne University in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Take a look at that old annunciator. Anyway, these are originally Westinghouse Selectomatic elevators, but sadly they were modernized by Schindler with Adams fixtures. Survivor plus hall stations and regular Survivor on the inside. This is the only one that goes down, so we're going to have to wait for this one to come back. Westinghouse. And the basement is locked. 9. That was kind of a waste of trying to get this one. And 9 is locked. Or no, it isn't. Controllers in this thing's a bit buggy. Well, I think it wanted to go down, so it did that. And this is a freight elevator that allows passengers. Here at 9. Epic Motors. The 9th floor, very pretty doors. Lanterns up here have been replaced. I'll go back down to 1. ETA phone, and the lights just turned on. Rockwell Hall directory. Here's Big Brother. Pretty basic cabs. These were originally Westinghouse. Schindler probably did that. Case Modernized elevators, or may have actually been a different company. I'm not exactly sure. These look like they were modded a while ago. Here back at 1. TV screen annunciators, probably original though. That is quite an interesting annunciator. Ooh, the disc car up is now lighting. There goes this, now it's going to be it.